15 raping cases in Lana.
See, law and order has virtually collapsed. In my constituency, last month, a young man, when he was traveling via Margaon, he was stopped, he was beaten, he was hospitalized, he was put in the Hospicio hospital. These are the gundas. It's got nothing to do with Naveli. Few days back, these girls were at Kolva or Benauli were raped by some fellows. So I feel these people who are involved in crime, these people who are involved in rape, these people who are involved in extortion should be booked, and they should be very strict with such fellows.
No, but police are doing their job.
There should not be any political influence. If police are not their job, action must be taken. There are good officers. For example, SP South, Pankaj Singh, very good officer. At this time being, as far as detection of crime, he has been good. But the officers below who are dealing with the investigation should be strict.
Village Baba, are you okay with this till late holding as of this assembly session till 4:30? And how about your health?
See, I have told on the first day only, as a representative of the people of the respective constituencies, we should be able to bring up to the notice of the government the issues. I've also told you, this is a parliamentary democracy. No money can be passed unless and until they are debated, discussed and passed in the budget. It is not happening. Every day there are 28 demands. It is humanly impossible to discuss this demand. So the question which you are asking me, I have already told in the assembly.
Okay.
How do you see the statement of the PM saying
Please continue.
See, what statement he has given, in what context he is given, I don't want to comment. But what I am saying, these people who are involved in crime should be punished. And mind you, there are many other crimes. These are murders, assaults, rapes. Today there are white crimes. This social media, they are spoiling somebody's name, and we don't have anybody in the police department to catch them. These are the worst criminals, extortionists, who use the social media to collect money, to defame people, and police are not in a position to take any action. If you file a case, they will say this is an NC. NC means non-cognizable offence. I feel that a state like Goa, which is much literate state, police should be alive to all the problems. Today there is a class of people who use the social media to defame, to spoil the people's name. And nobody can do anything because police themselves don't know what is happening.